unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
The Valsalva Maneuver stops hiccups fast by increasing chest pressure and triggering your vagus nerve. Simply hold your nose, close your mouth, and gently try to exhale. This shifts signals to your diaphragm, often ending hiccups within seconds. It's a quick, safe trick worth trying next time hiccups strike.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.